You see, YouTube algorithm decides if a short goes viral or not in many ways. And I am going to explain the most important ones. Number one, swipe rate. This is basically how many people choose to watch your short instead of swiping away. Your first 1 or 2 seconds are extremely important. This is where you need a strong hook. The better your hook, the higher the chance people will stop scrolling. Number two, audience retention. Getting someone to stop scrolling isn't enough. You also need to keep them watching. Cut out boring parts, keep the video moving, and don't make viewers wait too long for the payoff. Number three, rewatches. If people watch your short more than once, that's even better. YouTube sees this as a sign that people enjoy your short. Fast pacing and smooth loops can help get more rewatches.